I told you probably remember her at a different time. I didn't. She probably don't remember you as you are today.
So you just gonna hold this.
I gotta hold it.
Or you can set it down. Just make sure you can see the whole view. Man, you can pull it back.
It's already on? The volume on?
Yeah, so you can live.
No. I don't see nothing.
You see it in at the end. So just go ahead. Just it's or no.
It's recorded. Okay. It's you show.
Set a file. Yes, but one month is clear.
What's that? What's this?
But
What's that? The dust.
I don't like to be the one of the
Oh, okay. So, you with us.
I said we were testing.
No.
If y'all don't mind. I did not just yeah.
Do this.
Jack.
They are 40.
And she was posting the manuscript. That sounds like my type of party. That sounds like my type of party.
And then Janaya, she don't care nothing about dressing and looking appropriate. She just looking like she close to the this.
Hey, cousin. She's smashing over here.
Yeah, it's more professional, carry yourself to get and just in a whole different little school about like we go straight to the Chrissy and all that Keisha. He's so sweet.
Oh, yeah, they got the works. Chicken dinner's 25, oxtail dinner. That's how you know a lot of people bought a lot of stuff. The doggone writing there went blurry.
Got on bloody.
Welcome to Popeye's Barbecue. Let's go.
What's one so
Thank you, everybody.
doing her land moves?
Tap waiter.
They need me. They do anything.
So I catch it. This is good. She was over.
Well, now,
So let this on that word.
oh no, she got for 18, 17.
It's not chicken.
Yeah, chicken wings. These are chicken wings. So it's cheese and bacon. That's good.
Oh, this is like a Pawpaw barbecue plate.
I know, right?
Right. Good.
We're still waiting on her to set up over
Okay.
with the rest of it.
Okay.
These are Jen's. Sit down.
What? What's going on, cuz blood?
Like there, it was a little.
Wait, because I know he said a lot of his stuff dogs. I ain't got food for drinking for the birds. And Harry's got a full of portrait. Chill here for chill. Oh, yeah. Let's go.
But spreads from that. No.
Jen's diapers. I didn't spook.
About 7 figures that where I was gotta fit across me.
Check on the scene and ask.
Set the one lane.
Well,
It looks good.
yeah, I got to take this one.
They have alarms for each other. I was trying to decide the tires.
And fix my bad.
Oh, this is much. They made it so easy for you.
Yeah. Yeah, you can.
I know it's going, man.
Well, you're going to have to probably get a mic on it.
Okay. So like costume. And what up, Brad? All right.
Okay.
Everybody goes how I can. Wow, different being pretty. In the car? Yeah, that's going to be sweet. Oh, yeah, the other ones, we talked about that too. Like just riding around doing it.
It's very cool. Think fit that pretty. Finally cleared it. It is good. You'll try about 18 years. I used to come in with some of the sound. Sometimes I put like 10 and 2 times. Because we take over there.
I don't know if you want me to sit down.
I do that on the river. I'm not one to do that song. I'll give you a question of media.
I see how you're Brad.
I talk. Oh, all right. Let me get a sorry, it's the vipers.
Yeah, Brad.
There's 200 to leave it to that. I want to speak to you. Okay. You say it. John teach shit here. They go away. Yeah, anything. Plenty. They have there. They not on me. So here's the price. So I do the fight. So I want to know about a ring to name shirt, but it was from the remember spectrum. Oh no, did you ask that?
Look your back.
I got because all the traffic I'm less scared of the machine gonna put in mother on right. You're gonna the money down just like these dogs cover good.
But you should help them.
Don't that is that a story person you can go back and see about 2 hours
Next time, y'all. Next time we got to do this early so y'all can do it all about everything. That's what I'm seeing. Best of can't be like 12 o'clock. I got everything. I have to play everything.
I still got all the everything about you.
What?
I still got rest of it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, for them that are this, but him and I got this thing on us this year because I could have got up and
You saw it, all of it?
she could throw it in there. Dang, that's good.
Why she your claim?
Well, you gonna ask the question standing up?
Let's go over there.
Nah, you said it. Okay.
He has a chair.
Huh? Now, podcast.
Yes.
I've been seeing that up there. I said, not going up.
I said, yes.
That's beautiful day. But I can get it right, and I'm going to be right there with y'all.
Oh, so your shoes get hit.
You got your mic and stuff? Yeah.
Is it my turn? Oh, there.
Yeah, you good.
It's in that.
I'm ready when you ready.
Long chopstick. You know,
Where's the officer? Name of my establishment is Mom Power Barbecue. And you know, yeah. When I go to town, this is my location. I'm gonna say, you could be like, pretty good, but I really want to show that target for it.
how the documents of my babies took it.
When I got left,
There, no, what's up?
I got a little something left out. What's that to me?
Refrigerator, out your drawer for data. Like I said, he's like,
What else you got? 20 guys. Okay. But,
I mean, it's like when it's a trying to say, I felt it kids too well.
two. This is the last of the, the face right there.
Oh, drop me that beat. And then I was getting us together. Try that nation's credit. I know you got to do that. Just as peaceful, thank you. I just don't have stuff.
Yeah, this is one of the, this here is one of
But
the,
it's a show that front.
that's the full of oxtails.
What is it? It's a book by you. That's what I'm
Hey, how you doing?
we felt confident.
You gonna get downstairs? No, this is.
We saw.
I thought that.
Because, yeah, boy. So, really, is still another ring. Yeah, but
Yeah, yeah, I get this one. I get together in a minute. Okay. Hey, sis. What else your name? I'm ready for you. You ready? Okay, this this is some of my food that I reselling. Okay, these are my lamb chops. These are my bus. Oh, that's great too. These are my lamb chops. They're good. You can see them my down. These are my wings. I guess these are right. Cool. Good. So this is full of oxtail. I just right here. I went so this is the good stuff. So these are my beef sausages right here.
who's how you got help?
On the outside police right here. So where's the Rockworks right here? Cowboy.
Don't wait, but oh, no.
I got the best Polish sausage in the city too. That's where they was up real.
Decent.
These split. I ain't tell nobody my secret where I get them from. They don't come from a regular supermarket.
That's the secret, man. That's the secret barbecue sauce.
Just that secret. That secret barbecue sauce I get. It's recorded. Y'all see, bro.
They ain't got it. They ain't got to drop some fish.
Okay. Look at that rib. I got that rib.
That's so many up is fine. I did about the after it. Oh, hottie.
Sit with that. That's all I want to do. First here, get your milk.
The adults, right?
Well, I got a one shot on a raise too. What about people who want to I'm like, yeah, we help you with jumping on the shoes, man. That's my California, that's what I do. One thing in the California thing, you saw everything good, and I mix up all these ingredients, but for my burgers, it's going to be, this is my burgers and my steak also. And my oxtail. Actually, this is my secret seafood. And that is delicious. What's another one bestseller over here? Another one bestseller. I got Camsdiy early, like 12 o'clock next Friday. I'm gonna have a whole layout for y'all. Taking out my balls are already on time. Sweet, okay.
I'm not saying they have a lot of
Oh, that's it. Wait, let me know y'all want some. No. Let me know y'all want some. Okay. Diyprojects. What the heck is so big? What, is he gonna camp press?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I got you, man.
So, really trying to get it faded. Perfect.
Thank y'all. I appreciate it. Oh, yeah. I got your chicken, but the macaroni and cheese gone. Okay. Okay. They don't wipe that out. Let's be straight. She's a good kind of thing. What side you got up? You for me? Good for you, right? So, yeah, look, see, they paid California for me. I think I even started paying. I got 37. Look, that part is very good for me. Just keep talking. I've got to say, I just like a little bit. Thank you. But the speed and fight.
Like I can't just he kept saying, work in the bike on the shirt.
Yeah, you got a well bad.
Hard I tell you. You know, the other bike, you got to say, stupid.
Hot, so then, this is fun. I got y'all. How y'all been? Good.
My other cousin, the boss upstairs. The other cousin, he said, what else you
Downstairs, I need you. I love to get your car. I got that. Okay.
okay, I'm not recording.
You gonna do one spell? What California? Okay, so. Oh no. So let's get back on me. Think of Mari's floor. Stop. Okay. Oh, okay. You know what's supposed to do? Can I get my meat? I'm gonna do a baked mask.
For heaven's sake, what you got out?
Then you got two baked things? Sauce cat. Y'all watching that? Y'all gonna watch that fight tomorrow? Oh yeah, that's what I'm putting on. No, that's right now, so I can relax. Okay. Good for the Oh yeah, that's on the Crawford thing. It ain't Crawford, man. This the biggest fight in the Yeah, what? Because the fight ticket was what, 200 mil. They gave Canelo 150. They gave Crawford 50. So he can have he making 50. He ain't bad. Okay. Yeah, that 10 million should have been right. They haven't get great.
But maybe. No.
Y'all just getting off, huh?
Yeah, I did that. Yeah, that was good. Come on, man.
You got camping soon?
Sam,
Can we touch the target? I don't know. They got together.
Yeah. Got that bit. Shut that y'all.
I did. You got camping.
Oh, you got that bit.
I
I got Sam.
I've been waiting on y'all, man. You know we coming. Come on. You know we coming. I thought that's what we were doing is last week. Yeah, I said I was gonna do you like right. Man, right. Show you there. You up the phone, but right, we off the phone. We just be married again, not that much. That's you're asking that cool. And then we go about that again. No doubt. Oh, you're all right. I was much to receive, but let's not knock the room to go for another dinner.
That is good.
Which one for it? Another mag to go for a dinner. We got some dinner.
Little corner though. That's for one.
Yeah.
What is it?
I got my heels.
We got man almost baked beans in California Bay almost 7.
Like that. Yeah. If you can't, you can still do this somewhere.
And see? Okay, let's get
My bad. Good.
Y'all all right? Y'all not in my way at all.
Yeah, see, you're all but on this currency.
security just to the other things.
And he's going, Anthony, what's up into it?
Baked beans. California from Sam.
Yeah.
Yep. Baked beans. Got that good. Baked beans. So,
That's good.
yeah.
Dad was too
Shaky.
Well, we've been to stuff.
No, yeah. You got that. Yeah. Yeah, she's over. Yeah, that's a thank you. I don't know. It's a good video. Like I say, I got my technology and my, they bought 7. Child work fund.
Okay, see. Okay, he said, okay. Don't mind the, for mommy, when?
I do the rest. He got it up.
OG, they over here panicking after week 1, man. Everybody was trying to panic after week 1.
Who?
What? On the line. Everybody.
Stop. That's it.
How did Green Bay get 2 home games?
Who?
Back to back like that. Yeah.
No. You talk about that little bit. There's some got works. Go.
the other basketball team. The other is how they got only one like power points. Alright, they did. I don't know if you back to back off there. Anything, but still we
Early sales too.
so okay. Okay, just go play out. Okay.
They gotta come back. Hey, OG. On Thanksgiving though, bust
Yeah. So we really step back up.
Oh yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Start with Chicago.
Oh yeah, they start with Chicago. On there, multiple. I mean, dominate.
Oh yeah. And but they said this right here though. We said, dude made a good point. He said, I don't want everybody panic. He said, but it's a good chance. Lions can go 1-2 right now. There's no got Baltimore. They're my dad, but football. And then you got clean, but like I said, you got to have the ability. You got to put them all for the trick.
Oh, now that it's
I'm going to die, though.
oh, yeah, that again.
It's stuff.
No,
I don't like so what?
it's a baby.
I would get
With that, it's
that. Should like
the different snap, the skin, European apps, beat out of school out there. There's all that about there.
you have to like to
There's much about there. It's kind of like Amber.
work stuff.
Under the also adults, no home, no one. So that's he was of that. You just can't keep doing it for years for just need yourself up. You look at it.
Yeah, it's really.
So, and with that, then she wanted to. And it's and then you do something that you can try that.
But this don't use those. This language is very different. Or not to actually say that. I don't know, but I'm like, well,
That's what you good.
I was a joke, but yeah. So I'm at Camsdiy going back to like the North Little
Say, say,
country. What's I said? Back to it. Good soon. What other
pigeon. So don't let it out. No, the cockpit right here is well, it can expect
you can get?
things to me. It's your right of bush.
You got the
That's
you
fine.
know, you got still do can't put it up right. You got one of the big kids.
Yeah.
Sign up on one. If you stay, it's all bad.
Okay, so this
I think we got one more.
you want to on here. That's all I'm sorry. Last one again, that picture. Yeah, let's again that picture.
Just like that.
I think you got a picture of Lee. I'm coming to the house and was I don't know. I don't know how he put it. It's like yeah, that's good. Stand around and wait. Play out there.
You showing me. Really, you don't
Wait.
Shit. I think you want up to. Yeah,
We can go find it.
it's amazing. Each to one. Oh, God. Really sure. It's fun.
Right.
I haven't seen it. What you got? What you haven't seen?
They did it for the kid.
Shut down.
That's for me.
Oh, it's very much.
They did.
Seven off. I wouldn't put a loud that didn't choose my husband.
I don't know.
I'll be like,
Oh, good.
but the other is
Oh, you know, come down with us. That I
need
need
to try no.
to
Necessary.
be on.
Yeah, people like your mouth, they go. I thought that they were good.
Sucks. Blow that boy and rock the farm.
No, I thought
I will be back to Friday.
but the exposed.
On the side. 13 of that goes on there.
This,
Put the husband.
but no, I got my what those seven
My body's ringing.
say
They twin that. He always, he's like, telling it not it was. Maybe
weapons.
neighbors. They say that. Get that. That's give me the thing. Still go for that. That's his name. Well, he, yeah, put your
What a twin, like it.
watch. But look that big. Well, they ain't closing on me. I'm so shot fire.
Oh, sorry. Oh, you should also hold up. Oh, you have been on video. There. Hey, come on, y'all. Good spot. Yeah, come on video. There.
But since you
Good far. I did for this. They have one too.
okay, you back, Mike.
They have one.
You better say.
But it's about it. He's like that with there.
I'm not trying to find you.
I thought about
I'm just trying to say in I take all the thought is just going action.
without really treating the watch. So much what I do here. Oh, no, but
Say it, but I've got it. So big. It's on it. Something like that. She's actually in costume.
okay, she's
Oh, baby.
something big. Oh, it's serious fun. But you guys offer to the company. Yeah, like that.
Hold on, there.
When the paint we smell the
Yes, that was good.
this is just an essential on twist getting red people's facilities like a deal out of the Albert well done. I think yeah.
So the
Sure. That's how
that's
just my dad's taking to on one. So, okay. Step for it.
You want something to eat?
I want something that because
Yeah, Brenda. See, if you had to go inside it.
Y'all want something?
you get
Okay, grim. Sure.
your
Squatting.
so that make it
You can do a little review if you want her to. Go ahead, eat a little something, something on there.
and there are levels of ever people and I love going from which
Gosh.
out of
No, he's a boy. Actually, I'm not kid.
this situation from
As to. People love you very God. He just, they just let
The
it.
guy I just this
People didn't always in the end.
you do
He doesn't operate.
how you been, girl? It's all about it. All right. Still got with something more.
to go there for some from the gap.
Okay. What's up?
That's right. There was kind of.
If I have to be
Yeah.
Nerds.
sorry, they just
I'm gonna have to do an intro outro before we go.
Gosh, your dogs. Yeah, maybe. How about that?
went to
So then I'm gonna
No, thanks on.
that's what's
But with that, the ball up to play. There's the Rick your shot.
really sure enough not listening. Oh, you know, absolutely.
I'll be. Do you want?
I'll take you to the like for you, no JDK too well. So I think
You know, like down, man, down.
you get days by God, so
The part to this. Glad to later.
you so called so good to show an arch up put then
He's.
was then yeah me this dude which
It's too expensive.
that you know
And I thought it got you know. Not that nothing you know because you know I'll take it to Sassy.
By the look.
true.
I say you could do a little bit of.
Oh, I missed last week, man. I took you out of work. Oh, you gotta get out of work? Never got the actually talking to you.
You take it.
You know, if you have to.
I was in on this.
One of my first steps was when I first got screwed afterwards. Yeah, I found out we just turned. Wow, ain't that thing?
you want to get on here and say something first?
That was. I still got my all.
To be at work, man.
Right, I had to expose.
I thought it was John. I forgot.
Look, what is
Three about that. Treat the real.
Three.
Up about 3 about
quick as
was I mess it up.
Well, that's real, but I don't know where to do the other side.
it's hey
Think I messed it. Come on, man. You want to chop up on your blend too?
I like it. Where's all that?
I think that's California blend line.
Okay, you gonna visit.
Officer.
Hey.
California blend. What's that?
You got seasoning.
Yes, I got it's mixed with bell pepper, green pepper, red pepper. I can't tell all of it. See?
Oh yeah, that's
But I mean, it's all too much. But
I do like California blend. That is fine though.
it's
Most
fire.
people do like the California blend.
It's fire. You want some? You want some on the side somewhere?
I ain't trying. Ooh.
then what did she say?
Yeah.
Oh, it's another one in the thing.
So be that
What?
I didn't know we had more yams left.
ain't what you got.
That's enough to get a shirt. Yeah.
Shoot. But valid
So yammies on there. When the macaroni and cheese, the first thing go all the time. People come and they get, I want double mac and stuff like that.
A double tag.
So the only and that's like she was asking me what's my best seller. And I think that macaroni and cheese, because people come and want macaroni and cheese and don't want meat. Guys up. So I have to make big portions of that, but now on, I'm gonna start making big portions. I thought 2 pans was gonna be enough. The 2 pans is not enough because it goes back to your fast.
you got it.
Alright, well I guess I can get her up to. I get on to which for you. I will about to chop so it's not like it you usually see what because of
Let's put this film.
Like to get it up with weather moisture.
Oh, man, that's cute.
yeah. It's some cameras. I'm just telling you.
Well, I'll take that.
We'll catch you next time. I appreciate it. Chips came up here before. He came up here before and We talk some. I like to always support. When people spend money with me, I support people back.
I don't even want to they can check it out. But then take this one.
Okay, he said, I was back there. Still hard. I gave you the napkin, didn't I? You wiped the top of your green off.
Oh, we got this one. We have it.
Oh, yeah, that's what I did, wasn't it?
Let's show you this. Let's show this.
BT,
All right, peace out.
BT, you turn that off?
I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Oh, what we got here? We got barbecue chicken, gravies, yams. What else we got?
Hey, you got here's some rib on that, and you got some oxtail.
Okay, so rib and oxtail. We about to get it. Well, you know what to do, Rob. Let's check this out. You know what? I was trying, but my phone.
Here's the table.
You got
Like it in. I ain't down. Well, I don't have the.
give this Tommy J.
So I have a convection for it. My sauce. Mm-hmm. See that? It's either good. I'm a real.
This is what I do.
It's my favorite pasta. Meat and fish like it's so good. That's real good, you know. You find them in work shit. Since I smashed it, keep the.
Tomorrow you eat that. Charles, I'm gonna do a thing for me.
Oh, all this chicken right here. Let's go. Very smart. Black chicken. That chicken ice and saucy.
Okay?
I'm on this cat. We'll break this up 20 like this. He thought also. I think you will see it, John. This on your clock. You did it. You look at this. Yeah. This good. There you go. Innovative podcast. You want to? You got my wish you know that's not. Oh, really? Gracious, I need that more. I think this on the I'll see you.
Stop. Right.
So, I can write on your
So you know.
I
Got to go down, son.
Alright, so good.
I saw that oxtail down there. I mean, I can do it. Okay, we can.
All right, bro.
Happy.
Well, anyways,
Love you.
Happy dollar.
check. Okay, so Papa wanted to try the glizzy. What's called the glizzy? Papa wanted to try the glizzy. So whenever y'all ready, try to do it. You guys, though.
Okay, I'll call you back. I love you, man.
Love you too. Mustache.
Switch. Cold. I haven't been able to get buns. Haven't been able to find buns long enough to fit my hot dogs. Yeah. The glizzy, what they call it? The glizzy. Nobody in the city got hot dogs like that.
And custard. Just check. Hold on, in fact, we're probably seeing you. Chocolate. That's all I do is this play on it. This big dog back here. This picture is recorded, so you can waste that time. And like, hey, Sean, around the body. So I just found white shit. People on jail to get busted. But you return it, it is. The glizzy on the glizzy. I got a glizzy, so just spit it on.
Give me the dog shit.
I mean, what's better when you walk? You know, for it's good. It's always like a
Jordan on the best $5,006.
right. Here we go.
Oh,
Exit Mercury. We bring lost us and we lost straight. Stuff on that. Lost straight is a cry red. You don't count. 1, 2. There you go. What's better?
whoa. I thought this about Woodford.
Liz.
Yeah, this.
Come on, big blood. No, this is well. Eventually, y'all.
Oh, we think. That's a city, yo. Yes, kid.
Aren't you the again, not this. They choose this. What do you do?
It's bad things to see. Just like you have.
You got her. All right, turn on the
Well, no, it's all.
Is it? I'm gonna give him the mic after her. And so, because of we should eat. There's an ice on to excuse me. Listen, but don't do what she does. Bye. I'm not
I'll pay for it. Yeah.
I have to take a cut. Just
Yourself?
live with that. That's that. I really didn't do it.
I ain't gonna say too much, but you said close it out. I'm gonna close it up.
I'm not gonna say too much. I'm gonna close it out.
Say close it out. I'm gonna close it out.
It's a very still. I was false.
Let me know you ready.
I see podcast.
I see podcast. I see podcast.
Thank you, man.
I think that's it.
I'm gonna get better at it. No, you good.
You good. Where's the word? All the mistakes that we do. All the mistakes that we do. I go see it.
Okay.
Okay.
That's good.
Like somebody ready to go. That's all.
You like, I ain't doing that.
My basically saying, but champagne, cookies.
I'm sorry, right up under that. What you got to do
Got your spot through this style. You can get on here with what's happening. Right, y'all have a good day. Appreciate it.
No, I don't go.
Same to his.
We ain't got enough. I ain't got enough pork chops. Wing.
Real quick.
I got great.
Try this. You want to share number about your stock? We only got one port.
Yeah, I throw on the side.
First, you got the paper over there.
I got pork chops too.
Well, I did this sweat.
Oh, I sell that side for like $30 per student. I paid on the side.
It's some shit like that, bro. You know,
People, I try to keep it right.
oh, you see on the list.
But you want 1,000 greens?
Huh?
What? Think so? I ain't gonna tell the charge you. I want to trash. All
I'll just get some real in there for
right, brother. Appreciate you.
all right, so how we gonna do this barbecue real quick? We'll try this.
Thank you, babe.
All right, we gonna try this macaroni and cheese. Awesome, right? Macaroni and cheese. Popeyes already know. Well, let's get it. Okay. Let's see what it's talking about. I like it. This kind of cherry. Is that extra sharp?
You know it. What you know about that?
You should charge. That's fine. Or a baby style.
What about that?
Very soft, Frederick. Easy. Let's bring them to them. That's right on time. I don't know how we go by.
Let's give you the items.
It's so good. It's so good.
I don't know how to drive home and eat now. It's like, I'm joking.
You fall asleep on the way.
Yeah, I like, come on.
How to get that burn. I love it. Y'all been.
But y'all, yes, number one. Number one.
We different like that.
They miss out.
I can't even get the last one. I don't care, but more saucy sauce is sure.
Yeah, definitely.
But how's my son? No, I still was good, but you know, I had your had about this.
Yeah.
That's all I see.
You want some wings too? Give me no wings out of it. They're in the cabinet. They have the wings in the cabinet in here. Oh, you should grab them. I'm trying to get you to grab them.
Oh, no side. I was on the kid.
You don't know the setup.
I was on the side.
You gotta learn the setup now. Yeah, you gotta learn the hookup now. I got a friend that got, well, it ain't this, her grill ain't this big, but she got something like a little grill she trying to do. It's probably about half the size of this. Yeah, but how much this run you? Like $1,000?
Right now in water.
No, it do.
That grill cost me $3,000.
Woo-wee. 3,000 up, you know, I looked it up. I got lucky. Yeah, we did. That's $10,000 grill. Ooh-wee. I had you look on the side where I had a burner on that side, and I jackknifed it and messed it up.
Okay.
I was trying to park it. This was my first time parking it because I didn't know how to back up in the driveway. And you know, you have to go the opposite way when you're backing in.
Right, because it's a trailer.
Yeah. So I backed in and jackknifed it. And told that hole, look on the side right there. You can see it.
I don't want to show the camera. We try to make it look perfect.
Why I jackknifed it up?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And that was my burner right there for me to be cooking. That was the burner.
Check like that, yes.
Yeah, these are
So, what the
like something in it.
Oh, okay, that's right.
So if I said shit, I'm nervous. I had to buy the bucket.
So, you had to buy that then?
What?
So, you probably would bought this?
Yeah, I got burgers now. I got so many burgers. I got deep fries. I got a deep fry at home. And I ain't brought out to
I just said I'm going to go, but I need to know. That's what I mean.
man.
You alright? You want to let them know?
Oh, you want to? You late.
We did a whole recording.
Right off that, you ready.
You seen it already? They put it like that already?
Oh, that's what we all said on that talk. Yeah, we did everything. Popeyes recording, everything. Popeyes barbecue.
Okay, so last question. What advice do you have for young black men or black men
in general about business, what advice would you give them about starting their own business or just fearing about business?
What I would give advice to a young black man about business is stay focused, be determined, and don't let nothing get in your way from what you got your mind set for.
Okay.
Nothing.
That's good.
And you can accomplish all your goals.
For sure. Nice doing business with you.
Thank you.